Hello and welcome to Square One with Brendan Shine, where I answer your questions about property investing in Australia. These bite-sized videos are designed to give you concise information about common questions new and experienced investors ask about. Today, I'm going to speak to you about the difference between cash flow positive, positively geared, and negatively geared investment properties. You'll hear these terms being used around property. But what do they actually mean? Let's start with negatively geared. In simple terms, a property is classed as negatively geared when all the costs associated to owning the property cost more than what you are earning from the rental income and after all your tax deductions in relation to that property have been accounted for. Next is positively geared property. A positively geared investment property is the middle ground between negatively geared and cash flow positive properties. Your investment property will be classed as positively geared when the holding cost over the year is more than your rental income. However, once you have claimed your tax deductions, it actually gives you a cash return. And lastly, we have cash flow positive investment properties. And as the name suggests, this is the type of investment at the end of each month, after all your costs have been deducted, puts money into your bank account. Now, just to point out, the term positively geared and cash flow positive are often used interchangeable. For example, some real estate agents will advertise their property as cash flow positive, even though it doesn't return you any money until you've done your tax return. So make sure whenever you are looking at a property, you don't just rely on what the agent has advertised. It's important to do your own figures. I hope this helped you have a better understanding about these three different terms that are used to describe a property's cash flow. Do you have a question you would like answered? Leave me a comment below, and I'll bring you the answer in a future episode of Square One. This has been Brendan Shine from Strategic Property Acquisitions.